We need to talk about cleaning the dirty floors in your home. Is it necessary to vacuum and sweep and handle all the dirt yourself? Nah, there's a better way to clean. Allow me to introduce Dreamebot L10s Ultra, a fully automated robot vacuum that automatically empties its dust box and cleans its mops.
Start auto empty.
L10s Ultra scrubs floors with dual high-speed rotary mops, providing an extraordinarily deep clean for your floors. With an ingenious, robust rubber brush and impressive 5,300 pascals of suction power, there's nowhere for hair, dirt, dust, and other debris to hide. Relax, you don't have to do that. A detailed 3D map is recorded in L10s Ultra's brain. The advanced AI action utilizes an RGB camera and LiDAR navigation to rapidly learn your home. L10s Ultra has carpet identification to avoid carpet while mopping, or simply raise the mop pads while vacuuming. Smart, huh? There's no rush to empty your vacuum. L10s Ultra has an auto-empty system. With our exclusive dual Boost 2.0 technology and a high-capacity 3-liter dust bag, automatic mop washing, and hot air drying. L10s Ultra gives you up to 60 days of automatic hands-off cleaning. Set it and forget it. What else? How about customizable cleaning? Take control via the app to tailor your cleaning to suit your home and schedule. Don't forget that you can also use voice control to ask Siri to start cleaning. Hey, Siri, run Dreamebot L10s Ultra.
Start cleaning.
So what are you waiting for? Stop cleaning your home and start enjoying it. All you need is Dreamebot L10s Ultra. Automatic clean, absolute freedom.